Okay, I have some stuff. So I am currently trying to decorate my new art studio. So I have a room in the house where I live now, and I will have a place to work. So now the stuff will be recording in this room, but the light is not very good today. It's gloomy outside, it's raining, so I already put some stuff in it, in the wall. The Love Witch poster, because I love this movie, and Nosferatu. So I never saw the movie, but I loved the artwork. So I will show it to you. So look at that. So it's Isabella Gianni, a French actress, and it's Klaus Kinski. Maybe I watched it. I don't know. Did I? I'm not sure. And so the Love Witch. So I will put some stuff on my wall. I have a drawing that an artist on Instagram gave me, and I draw her a Pedro Pascal portrait too, because I love Pedro Pascal. So I will put her Instagram somewhere on the screen, so I will do that right now. I am unemployed. So I had my last day of work last Thursday, and now I am unemployed. I already register to have some money, and I will try to find maybe a little job, a part-time job. But anyway, from now on I will be focusing on art, and I will try to do my best. I have some projects, so we will see how it goes, but it's my year. After being mentally sick for several months, I feel better now, so I am like, it's time. It's time to do stuff and stop waiting for things to arrive or to come. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, so I am where I don't know where I should watch. Why there? Maybe there. I'm not sure. I will see when I will edit this video. So you can see this awesome sun behind me. Oh, let me show it to you. So look at the thing. It's a sun that I bought at the bric-a-brac, the thrift market, and he was there, like kind of creepy, but also very yellow, like a, a golden sun. And I felt like I need to buy him and bring him back to my place. So, what do you think? He is creepy. Yeah, he's looking at something we don't know what, but okay. So that's it. That's my son. And so, what I was saying, I don't know. So yeah, I post my art on the wall because why not? I mean, I don't have a gallery, so it's not my art, obviously. No, this one, but this one, yeah, this one, this one, and this one. Entirely mine. This one is not. It's a drawing swap I did with someone on Instagram. Yeah. What I was saying. It's the first week of September, and I am really feeling like Meg Ryan right now. Try to do something with my hair. You see, I feel very connected with all the shag from the 70s, 80s, 90s, you know, very Goldie Hawn, very Meg Ryan, Stevie Nicks. So I already did something on my hair. That's the empty bowl for the cat. I need to refill. But yeah, it's a new look. Do you like it? I don't know. I am wearing some kind of old vintage dress with little pearls in it. We try to put on some clothes while we are trying to do some work at home. And so, what I was saying, I don't know. Like, I feel very like autumnal, fallish right now, and it's still summer, so yeah, I don't know what to do with my life. And I was saying that I am drawing this Princess Leia card, and I will have to finish this today. So I already put some a little bit of a time lapse before on the video, and so maybe I will put another one. And I don't know when I will be posting this video, but very soon. We need to download stuff in this YouTube page. I need to go viral and no one is watching. Not no one. Some people are watching and I'm very pleased by that, but we need to improve the game. We need to shoot for the stars, as they say. Like, how they say? My English sucks. I don't know what's going on with my English. I don't, you know, I am talking and I don't like articulate. So I'm talking like yogurt stuff, you know, like yogurt. Yogurt. I am annoying. Am I annoying? Maybe I am. Am I the drama? I am not a drama. Maybe I am. I spend way too much time on the internet. Okay, bye.